Hi everyone, welcome to Happy Rich Mama channel. Thank you for visiting and do subscribe and like and share this video. We're going to cook Bihon Guisado today. We already fried our kikiam, which we have, and then we are now working on the other ingredients. This is the celery, and those are the leaves part for topping. And we boiled shrimp because it came from the freezer, just 3 pieces of big shrimps, and we're going to half it, remove the head, include it also, and we're going to clean that part of the shrimp which has a black thread-like thing. Adding shrimp adds extra flavor. We already have boiling on the pot the bone from the pata, pig pata. Goya is slicing some onions from Zeni Urbina, thank you. And Tia is now slicing the 3 pieces, so we make it 6 as topping for the pansit. Then we mince or slice some garlic. We then fry the shrimp slightly. We use coconut oil in our cooking. For low carb people like me, we use coconut oil, avocado oil, or olive oil, and that makes it healthy. We begin the sauteing and we put in garlic on hot oil where we fry the shrimp and the kikiam. And after the garlic, we put the onions, then we put our chicken. This is the protein of the dish. For seasoning, let's have soy sauce and then some salt and some pepper, all according to taste. We wait for the chicken to brown a little to extract more flavor from it. Then we stir fry the vegetables, the sayote and the carrot. And since this has a lot of water in it, we will not add water or the soup, the chicken and pork soup that we made. Instead, we'll just stir it and then cover it and maybe add a little bit when we know it needs a little bit more, because perhaps our fire is too hot, that's why it dried up. And so we cover that. For easier mixing, we transferred to a kawa from the kawali, and now we put in the cabbage or repolyo and the red bell pepper, and we just continue to stir fry this. In a bit, we will also add the celery. Sensing the need for more salt, then we are adding soy sauce and maybe a pinch of salt and a little bit more pepper. Almost done. Since I am observing low carb diet, I will remove half of this veggies, and that will be my pansit, veggie pansit, and then the other half will be left in the kawa, and then we will remove half of that also as toppings, and that's how we will cook our bihon guisado. This is for the topping of the pansit. Now we pour in the water where we boiled the pig bone and the chicken breast for more flavor. Again, adding in more soy sauce for flavor and perhaps some more salt and pepper.
Bawal naman ang maalat sa atin.
Let's put in the bihon, pansit bihon, which we soaked in water to soften. We did put a bit of sesame oil, which we don't usually do. Notice the way the ladle lifts up the pancit and drops it so to separate the threads. That's how to mix pansit bihon so that they don't break. We are now plating our pansit bihon guisado with shrimp, chicken, and kikiam.
Puno na dun sa isa na.
Let's put our veggie toppings. And then we put some kikiam and some shrimp, and as a final topping we put in the shredded celery leaves. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo Ikebana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.